What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today we're doing something super duper overdue. I haven't cut my hair in literally almost 2 years. I know, my hair just tends to grow when I don't cut it, so I left it alone, but now it's gotten a little too long. It's starting to get really annoying, so I wanted to switch it up a bit, and obviously considering the circumstances, I can't go anywhere to cut my hair, so my dad's gonna be cutting my hair. If you guys wanna see how that's gonna go down, please keep watching. Okay, we have now relocated to my parents' bathroom, and I honestly wanted to go for a very short and edgy cut, but I think we'll actually just have to keep it safer and go for longer layers, so we'll see how my dad does with that. But without further ado, this is my dad.
Hi everyone, I'm Hemant.
So let's see how this goes.
You really want me to do this?
I don't know, no one else will do it.
I'm kinda nervous. I don't know what to do. You want me to cut with this?
As you guys can tell, my dad's a great actor. Do you want to tell them the truth?
I don't know what to say.
No, Dad, like you can tell them the truth.
What truth?
I've had enough of the acting. Dad, why don't you tell them the truth?
What's the truth?
Dad, tell them the truth.
Okay, well, it's a long story. I don't think you have time for that, but anyway, I'll cut long story short. I got my hairstyling license in 1980, a long time ago, before even you were born.
Okay, truth be told, my dad always cuts my hair. I'm just very lazy with my hair. He does perms, he does really awesome cuts and like highlights and all that stuff too. So you'll get to know him a bit throughout the process, but yes, my hairstylist dad is gonna be cutting my hair today.
Thank you. Well, we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, move it on this side now. We're cutting a guideline here for the long layers, since her hair is very dry and brittle. We need to cut all that off at the bottom. I'm cutting almost like 4 inches off.
Wow, what a look. Okay, I realized I didn't show you guys a before, just so you get an idea though, a few pieces at the front are already cut. All of my hair is this length, and it's all pretty much the same length. A lot of the ends are not really split, but just super dry from the bleaching. So we're gonna get rid of those dead ends and just add some more body to my hair, considering everything is one length. So what's your favorite part about hairstyling?
Oh, I love to cut hair and talking to people about their lives. That's the greatest part.
So what did you go by at the salon? Did people know you as Hemant?
Mike.
Why Mike?
Well, when I was working for Italians, you know, they had hard time pronouncing my name, so one of my boss said, you know, why don't we give you some easier name? So I said, fine. So he said, how about Mike? Yeah, I said, okay, that's fine. And ever since I became Mike, or Michael.
A lot of people still call him Mike at work. I'll see if I can find a picture and I'll insert it here of what my dad used to look like. I guess it could work.
Alright, to all the viewers, what we have done so far, we have cut the front shorter and back longer. I took away all the dry ends, still giving her enough length. As you see, her back is still long enough. And we are going to do the long layers now.
Do you have any tips for people that want to grow their hair?
Just keep on nourishing your hair with the right products. Try to use professional products only.
I'm obviously someone who doesn't believe that you need to cut your hair frequently for it to keep growing, but what's your take on that? Do you think it's important to do?
Well, I would suggest 6 to 8 weeks just to have slight trim. That way your hair stays healthy and it's good for your hair and for the looks as well. Kind of things we use nowadays, all the curling irons and the flat irons, which cause, you know, hair
damage,
to become
breakage,
very brittle and dry. So if you do those things, then hair stays in good condition.
Do you have any like DIY treatments, Dad, that you would tell people to use?
Yeah, coconut oil is great. It's natural. If you can get organic, put that on once a week, sit under the dryer for 10-15 minutes. That's very hydrating for your hair. Wash it off with 2 shampoos and you will see what the difference it makes. So we are almost done here. I'm just going to do the final check and then she is ready to go, and if she wants me to set it up, I will do that. Otherwise, she is pretty good in doing her hair herself.
Thanks.
All right, you're done.
Woo! Thank you. Just gonna get this conditioner out of my hair and I'll show you guys the finished result. Oh, and my camera's about to die. No. Hello again. So before we were rudely interrupted by my dying camera, I was washing my hair and I just shampooed out that conditioner that my dad used to just make the combing and all of that really easy. So now that it's deep conditioned and double cleansed, I am going to style it. I think I'm just gonna dry it. I'm not gonna do any fancy blow dry because one, I can't do that with my own hair. And as much as I should have asked my dad to do it, I kind of wanted to make it easier on him because he's been working a lot today, you know, with all these DIY home projects and stuff. I just quickly brushed it out with a big tooth comb, and already, even though it's wet, I can see that my hair has a lot more movement and body. Let me quickly dry my hair and I will show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I may or may not have a decent amount of conditioner in my hair still, but can you guys see this? My hair looked pretty drab and it looked very limp, it looked very fine and thin. Now, oh my god, like please bear in mind, this is just me running the hairdryer over it and I have pretty straight hair to begin with, so that helps, but oh my god, it feels so healthy and so bouncy. And the layers just add so much thickness and life to my hair. My camera has been extremely rude today and died once again. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. It was really nice to have my dad on camera. We don't get to really hang out very much, but it's always so awesome to see how passionate he is about hair. And it's so great to obviously have a dad that does hair. He'll literally cut my hair at like midnight or do a color treatment at like 6 in the morning, and I have no lines to wait in, which is great. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed hanging out with my dad and I. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Or you can hit myself or my dad up on Instagram, and my TikTok is also in the description below, so come follow me there. I'll be back very soon, but until I see you guys next, stay safe, stay happy, and stay home. See you guys.